Hello, twin. I don't think I can really post much because of lots of things actually. First, I have final exams coming up. So, obviously, I have to study. My final exams is for 2 weeks. I guess I can post a bit in my free time. After that, I also have a camping activity at school. I'll be offline for 2 days. And last but not least, I want to watch the amazing digital circus with my friends. Which, if y'all are watching, you would know. Alright, that's all for me. I have to study, so Sam out.